The internet is too slow. I spilled coffee on my shirt. I forgot my keys. There's no hot water. The electricity went out. I missed the bus.
I'm running out of time.
My kids are arguing again.
The baby won't stop crying. I forgot to cook lunch. The food is too salty. I burned the rice. We ran out of milk. The TV isn't working.
The TV isn't working. The remote is missing. Someone used my charger. It's too noisy at home. I don't have enough cash. Prices went up again. This is too expensive. Do you have it cheaper? I forgot my wallet. I need to save money. The shop is closed. There's a long line. I was overcharged. Can I get a refund? The taxi is late. Traffic is terrible today. I got lost.
Which way is downtown? The bus is crowded. There's no seat.
My bike has a flat tire. The road is blocked.
I missed my stop.
The driver is speeding.
I'm under a lot of pressure. My boss is angry. I made a mistake.